Good afternoon, everyone. Honorable EM, Education, MDC, TTADC, Model Sri Lanka, PO Education, Inspector of School, Kumtoya IS, Chairman, Kumtoya, ILEC, and all the chairmen, social activists, and my lovely teachers. Tini future ni kaisa step tini oro inauguration ni program. I feel very proud and honored to be part of this program. Kami hingga as a young legislator, I have always kept education my first priority. Norok nubi makna jeplo an kok sawo korang ti sawo assembly tung an sob samay education ni paper kok sawo because I see future through education. Jeng je kuno khaina pano education nango nei saimane no education na first priority digo. You cannot do anything without education. You cannot do any job without education. You cannot come into politics without education. You cannot be a good person without education. So this age, this century, education is the most crucial part, be it for the societal development, be it for the human capital, be it for your personal growth. Honorable EM Education na belai hamai Mario, chini hoku tu isawo. IS School of Money badai. Chini Dhalai district nge aspirational district ni jato na saimano. O aspirational district ni bising se chini o long privilege subdivision nge joto jagano I will not say deprived, but joto jagano overpacked, mane jam, block open onto, buini jaga 10 village committee wo ekta block khangkai chini oro 30-31 BC wo ekta block. Buini oro 50-60 schools o kaisa IS office tongkai chini oro 100 cross ma thinai. Gan Orang Uguzima Ugusik tremendous pressure on Chini teachers, Chini IS officers, Chini education department of Sam Khanero, Gusik cost of a department of Salodimato. Student ratio, teacher ratio, Milia. Total education policy Hagantai, Abno fulfill Hanan Bagi infrastructure Klahamkere. Or age just say, so Apo basic amenities no things tomorrow fight matampo. We cannot deny the fact that we are lacking in education. Our teachers are lacking in teaching. Some schools have 3 teachers and 5 students. Some schools have 30 students and 1 teacher. All these things should be sought out with diplomatic way. I request our Honorable Indian to kindly look into this matter. At least student-teacher ratio nole chini oro solve khaina niuntun. Karon ang jekono jaga visit khaina te jekono institute untun, not only schools, AWC ban untun, jekono khantai. Every institute have at least minimum 5 problems. Especially school or jebro visit khai. Teachers from there कम से कम 10 valid reason तुमको. बोतांगी school of भैया, बोतांगी तीनी class 9 में या student बोतांगी school भैया, student school of तांगी infrastructure करी. 10 valid reasons तुमको. आज अंगे ना visit खाई करो. Dengan cuma ni matemu, karon systematic disorder ni bagai. Ang as a legislator tini oro kok samaniya, but someday I will also be a father of children. Apru ang monai ani busa kaham ni video kori tung teachers dara tongai boro ani busa no kaham ke tung. Tabu or generation to target or platform money. Ang sini time of honorable MDC bodomo or time of dodi se chumob no sudraina ni jesa khayam dai ani pore je chero achub nai future ro ba norok ni jaga future generation je teacher ni phenai borok ba chini difference kuno tongya nai karon chini je civic sense chini je mentality change ni away all mentality no chun carry forward khai thang dang dai chini future generation same chini mentality carry khai thang nai chun future ro chini responsibility je rizak mani chun no daitto rizak mani as a teacher and as a public representative chung apni failure ni hunda nai. So in that case, I will request my dear teachers to please regulate everything. Kabang ma jungjal tongui mano, there can be many inconvenience in your duty. You can be sent for some administrative work, nono BLO dazari mano, nono midday meal libagi taisa pressure dazari mano. Hai phano.